In front of me is POCO C75, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. Begin by launching settings and scrolling down to access fingerprints, face data and screen lock. Then click on face unlock, enter your current login method and hit start. After that, select Next in Attention pop-up, follow all of the instructions from your screen and keep your face in frame. Now select Done, manage all of those options however you want to and go back. So when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!